Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Barrow, and we are going to work in math this afternoon using your snap cubes. Will you go into your kindergarten kit and get your bag of snap cubes that we gave to you? You should have 2 different colors, and there should be 10 of each color. Now that you have your snap cubes, we are going to talk about what we do with snap cubes and how we use these to help us in our learning. So today I'm going to go through this presentation with you. It's called Oh Snap, and that's because we're using snap cubes. These are snap cubes. What do you notice about them? There's lots of different colors, but they're all the same shape. They have little knobs on the top and holes on each of the 5 remaining sides. Look at this set of snap cubes. They are all different. I see different colors. I see the way that they're laying is different colors. Look at that purple one. It's got its little knob sticking up. But look at the blue one. It has its knob pointing to the side. I also see a glue stick and some crayons in this pile of snap cubes. Do they belong in snap cubes? No. Snap cubes are meant to be with other snap cubes. We keep our glue sticks and our crayons with our pencil pouches or in our art center. I think you're ready to get your own snap cubes out. Go ahead and take out your snap cubes, laying them out in front of you. I think all of you have 2 different color snap cubes. Is it okay if our colors are not the same? Absolutely. This is just to help you see the difference in your snap cubes. Some of your snap cubes are going to look like the ones on the screen. Some of them are just going to have a square top. They're both a different type of snap cube. When we use our snap cube, it's super important we protect them. This is a tool for learning, not for a toy. So I'm not going to stick it in my mouth. I'm not going to put it on my fingers and tap them on my desk. I'm definitely not going to let my dog chew them up because then I won't have them to use when I need them. We're going to use these to help us in math very often. Remember, take good care of your snap cubes. So when we're done today, you're going to put them right back in your bag. Go ahead and try to line up your snap cubes with all the same snap cubes in order. Let's see if we can count them. Can you count with me? Touch your snap cubes as we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One of my colors had 10 snap cubes. I wonder how many are with my other color. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 2 sets of snap cubes that have 10 in each set. That is pretty awesome. Those are big numbers we can count to. Now, I want you to make 2 piles, just like you see on the screen. You're going to make a pile of one colored snap cube and a pile of another sort of snap cube. We're going to call that sorting. Let's go ahead and sort our snap cubes. We are sorting our snap cubes by color and by shape. Since both of your snap cubes are different colors, it's easy to see the difference in the snap cubes we have. They're different colors and they're different shapes. One might even be a bigger than the other. That's what we call a different size. Let's see if we can make a pattern just like you see on the screen. This pattern is red, green, yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow. What would come next if I had some more snap cubes? That's right, it would be green. Green would come next in our pattern. We can also make pairs in our snap cubes. Look at these. They've made a friend. Can you put your snap cubes together so they stick together like glue? These two cubes are in a group. Let's give your cubes a friend to be grouped with. These snap cubes have made a shape. Look at that shape closely. It made a rectangle. It's got two long sides and two short sides. Can you make your snap cubes into a rectangle just like they did? I want you to show me. Ooh, look at what else we can do with our snap cubes. We snapped all of our cubes together to make a tower. Can you take your snap cubes and make a tower? You should have two different color snap cubes, so let's make two different towers. And remember, we already counted that there are 10 cubes of each color, so you have two towers of 10 cubes. That's a lot of snap cubes. Now look what you can do when you snap these cubes together. This is the letter T. Look, we can make letters with our snap cubes. I'm making math and reading go together. Why don't you take your snap cubes and try to make a letter? I know some easy letters to make. The letter T is right here in front of you. Let's see if you can make a letter L. Oh, I love what you're making with your snap cubes. Now that we've explored all of our snap cubes, you can mix them up any way you want to. I'm going to give you some time to explore your snap cubes.